my grandmother really was the inspiration, because my grandmother, my aunt, and uncle passed in a house fire in 1994. And I got devastated. I mean, 3 people in my life go overnight. My grandma was very close to. And she had, me and her just had that relationship there, right there, all the time with each other. And I was just like, she needed me and I needed her. And when she left, it's like my best friend gone. And I got very devastated. I got kids, I got a husband, but it was my grandmother that me and her had that relationship when I could talk to somebody, when I needed somebody, when I needed love. And true, my husband loved me, but the children love you. But when grandma love you, it's nothing like grandma love.
This project is supported in part by an award from the National Endowment for Arts on the web at arts.nih.gov.